Hi guys, welcome to Team TechDom. In this video, we're going to look at exercise 4.1, which is about for loop from the book Python Crash Course by Eric Matisse. Let's look at the question. Okay, exercise 4.1, pizzas. Think of at least 3 kinds of your favorite pizza. Store these pizza names in a list and then use a for loop to print the name of each pizza. Modify your for loop to print a sentence using the name of the pizza instead of printing just the name of the pizza. For each pizza, you should have one line of output containing a simple statement like I like pepperoni pizza. Okay, so let's start with this part. I'm just going to do a quick Google search to find out the kinds of pizzas because I don't even know the different flavors. So give me a second. Okay, so pizza, pepperoni, cheese, and I'm just going to use these 3: cheese, pepperoni, and meat. Okay, so here's my list. Fave pizza. I just feel like completing it. Okay, so I have pepperoni, cheese, and meat. And then I'm supposed to use the for loop to print out each of the items in this list. So it goes for I, which is my iterable variable in favorite pizza, and print I. So at this point, I'm separate this. So I is going to represent each of the items in the list. In the first iteration, I is going to be pepperoni pizza, and that's going to be printed out. Then this is going to repeat itself until it's done looping through this list, which means in the second iteration, I is going to be cheese pizza, and in the last iteration, I is going to be meat pizza, and it's going to print it out. So let's run this. Alright, so first iteration, pepperoni, cheese, and meat. Now the second part wants us to modify this. Second part of the question says we should modify this code so we have a statement, something like I really like the pizza, something like that. So I'm going to add and a statement like this, I really love, then the pizza name. I'm going to enclose that in braces and close my string. And so this is it. And I show this. Okay, so I really love pepperoni pizza, I really love cheese pizza, and I really love meat pizza. And let's check the final parts of the question. Okay, add a line at the end of your program outside the for loop that states how much you like pizza. The output should consist of 3 or more lines about the kinds of pizza you like, and then an additional sentence such as I really love pizza. Okay, so I'm just going to add one more line outside the for loop. Okay, so this is it. I'm adding another line outside the for loop, and this is print I really love pizza. I make this different. Pizza separate. So this statement is outside the for loop. Even if I bring it out here, up here, it's not going to be a part of this loop. So this loop is going to run, and once it's done running, it's now going to come down here and print this next line. So this line isn't part of the for loop. You can see it's not indented, so this means it's not part of the loop. This loop is going to run. Once it's done running, Python is going to exit the loop and print the next line. Alright, so this is it. Our output contains 3 lines of code with 1 extra line, which is the 5th line of code from outside the loop. So this is it for exercise 4.1. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Stay tuned to see more solutions.